Beets, turnips, parsnips are all examples of root crops, but carrot's the one that we have the most. We're missing one other really important one. Watermelon's a great example. So that would be watermelon, tomatoes, we're eating the fruit. So and the fruit is the part of a plant that starts out as a flower, it gets pollinated, and then you have something that forms on the end. So watermelons, cucumbers, tomatoes, strawberries, all examples of that. What's that?
Is cucumber a vegetable?
So the question he just asked, is cucumber a vegetable? This is going to get a little complicated. Can you bear with me?
Yeah.
Sometimes we talk about things scientifically, and sometimes we talk about things nutritionally. Cucumber scientifically is a fruit. It's the part of a plant that grows after it gets pollinated. It forms on there. It's a fruit. Nutritionally, when you're talking to most people, they would say cucumber's a vegetable.
Yeah.
Right, so he was just asking, is tomato a fruit? Tomato's the same bucket. Scientifically, it's a fruit. Oftentimes for nutrition, we talk about it like a vegetable. So anyway, we're going to focus today mostly on eating vegetables, so the green parts of the different plants in the garden. And we're going to eat these raw out of the garden, but we don't always eat stuff raw. Sometimes we cook it or prepare it in different ways. So we turn tomatoes into tomato sauce. Today we're going to turn basil into pesto.
I'm saving it.
Oh, everybody get onion? Who wanted onion? Oh, you got some too. There you go.
I love fried
Still working on it? There you go.
I'm gonna wrap it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what we're going to do is, in a minute, I'm going to mix this all together. We're going to add a little bit of olive oil in the big mixing bowl. And I'm going to give you all either a choice between carrots and peas so that you have something to dip in the bowl. There you go. That's great.
That is snappy. Wait, I thought
There you go.
Oh, yeah, you like it? I like your eggs.
There you go. Oh, look at that.
Oh, that's so good. I'll try a little bit.
Right, there you go.
What? I didn't get any. This is what it tastes like.
We're just dipping it in and eating it. That's why there's no double dip.
Oh no!